Hello, welcome to netvn. In this video I show you how to install Windows 11 on an external storage drive. You'll have a portable Windows 11 kit that's easy to take with you anywhere. Here I have an M2 solid-state drive and an enclosure. 256 GB solid-state drive. You can use a larger hard drive if you want. I recommend you don't use the USB drive because the experience is terrible. After putting the hard drive in the box, you connect it to a Windows computer using the USB port. Next, I show you how to install Windows on this external storage drive. On your Windows computer, make sure your external storage drive is detected. You go to the Microsoft homepage and download the latest version of Windows 11. You then use a software to apply the Windows image to the external storage drive. Software called Rufus will help you do that. You download the latest version of Rufus. By default, Rufus does not show hard drives connected to the computer using a USB port. So you are allowed to display a list of drives connected to this computer using the USB port. Your hard drive will show up in the list. Next, browse to the Windows installer you just downloaded. To install Windows 11 on an external storage drive, use the Windows to Go option. Next, you choose the version of Windows you want to use. Here I choose the Pro version. I will install Windows using a local account. And here are the files and folders on the external storage drive when finished. Now I restart the computer and run Windows on the external storage drive. I access the BIOS of this computer. In the BIOS, you set up the computer to boot from an external storage drive. This is the first boot of Windows 11 on an external storage drive. As suggested, I installed Windows 11 using a local account, so I disconnected this computer's internet connection. Then I start Windows 11 without internet. This way you can install Windows using a local account. You can now connect to the internet for this computer and use Windows 11. So you've got a portable set of Windows 11. Since this is a portable Windows, I will show you how to install some portable software. You go to portableapps.com and download the latest installer. After download, you install it. You install portable software on portable device. Next, you create a new folder on your external storage drive. You install portable applications in the newly created folder. This is a list of free portable software. There are many software for you to choose. I choose some software I often use. And here is the result. They are grouped and installed as above. I will open some software to make sure they work well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and help me 600,000 subscribers. Good luck.